How's it going, guys? Ryan Gass here at PTPGun, and today we're going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of the Smith Wesson M&P Shield in 45. Before taking apart any firearm, rifle, pistol, or shotgun, you want to be sure that you check to make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead, take the magazine out, get that out of the way. Going to go ahead and next pull the slide back, and when I pull it back, I'm going to go ahead and lock it back using the slide catch. All right. Double check, chamber's clear, magazine well's clear, and we are good to proceed with the disassembly of our firearm here. From here, we're going to take the takedown lever and we're going to rotate it from the 3 o'clock position down to the 6. Rotate that down. Now we're going to go ahead and pull back, let go, and with this one we have to actually pull the trigger before it'll actually fully release. All right, frame, slide. Going to go ahead and turn that upside down, and we're going to compress and take out the spring and spring guide, as well as the barrel, and now we have our slide. Slide, barrel, spring and spring guide, and our frame. From here, you can do any of the cleaning and maintenance you may need to do this firearm, and once you have that complete, you can go ahead and reassemble. To reassemble, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our slide, place it back upside down. We're going to drop our barrel in. All right, the muzzle in first. Put that into place. Spring and spring guide. Compress it into the bottom of the barrel. We're going to go ahead and we're going to match up the frame to the slide. We're going to take those notches that are cut out of that back of that slide, and we're going to match it up to the rails on the top of the frame. We're going to match it up. Once we have it matched up, we're going to keep it matched up. We're going to pull it all the way to the rear and lock it back. From there, we can go ahead and take the takedown lever, and we can hit that back up from 6 back up to 3. All right, pull back, let go. I'm going to do a little bit of a function check. I'm going to pull that slide back a couple times. Pull the trigger. Pull slide back a few times. Pull the trigger. Now that is the disassembly, reassembly of the Smith & Wesson M&P 45. For more videos on how to take apart and reassemble this and many other handguns, rifles, and shotguns, be sure to follow us on Instagram and also on Facebook. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again. Remember to stay safe and to train to survive.